channel. How are you all doing? I hope everyone is doing good. Firstly, I wish you all a happy International Yoga Day. Now I'm starting my vlog at 5 p.m. and today is Monday. So in this vlog, I will share with you guys some best practices for working remotely in this COVID situation. So I know you guys can relate with me through this video as most of us are working from home in this pandemic. So the first thing is be patriotic and get dressed. So be patriotic and get dressed. So in order to keep a sense of routine, we should try to dress well at home. I strongly believe clothing affects our work. So it doesn't mean we need to dress formals and sit for work, but we can follow a decent work code during work. By doing this, we'll feel more competent and trustworthy. I'm sure this tip of me will surely help you guys as we are being a part of team meetings, video conferences, etc. So I'm sure this will surely help you guys as dressing surely affects our mood. Secondly, we need to create a separate workspace in our home. So a separate workspace, by doing this we can concentrate on our work more. A separate workspace is nothing but a decent and a small corner in our house. You can say a cozy corner in our house where we can keep our table and a chair. And I'll help you with some 2 to 3 points on how to create a separate workspace. Like if we have a table in our house, we can take a table. Just put a small cloth on the tablecloth, whichever cloth you have in your house, or you can put a tablecloth. And if you have a system, you can keep a system, a monitor and a mouse, or if you have a laptop, you can place the laptop on the table. You can place one table lamp, a pen stand, and always try to keep a notepad and a pen handy so that you can make a note of the important things during work and during meetings too. And if you have a photo frame, a small photo frame, or if you have done some DIY photo frames or anything, you can keep a family photo frame on the table. This will refresh your mood. And if you have some fresh flowers or some fragrant diffusers or some flower petals, you can take some small jar and put the flower petals in the jar and keep the jar on the table. Or some fresh flowers, if you have any, then you can take a small jar of water, and put fill in the water and put some fresh flowers and place the jar on the table. And if you have some fragrant diffusers, you can keep a diffuser on the table. Also, if you have money plant in your house, take a bottle, fill in the water and keep the money plant in the bottle and place the bottle on the table. I hope this small and cozy workspace will refresh your mood whenever you log in during your work. I will try to make a small video on how to create a separate workspace sooner, and I'll share with you guys like how I have created my separate workspace in my home. I will surely share with you guys regarding this one. And the third point is lighting. Lighting surely it will increase our productivity and it will help us to make our work more productive. As the lighting, it will boost our energy, mood and alertness. So a good lighting, I'll tell it will help us as we are working from home. So the fourth point I would say is the sitting posture, as most of the people are facing the problem of backache, and in women I would say this is a most commonly known problem, and it is a severe problem I would say, as most of the working moms are undergoing cesarean everything. So this backache it is a major problem. So I would share with you some simple steps of how to get rid of the back pain. If as we are working from home, as we are sitting on the chair, so always lean towards the back and take the support and work. As we are working for prolonged hours. Also, if you are sitting on a bed and working, then always take a back support, like put a pillow or a cushion in the back and work. I'm sure this will surely help you guys to get rid of the backache if you are facing any. So the fifth point is to-do list. Like to-do list is create a schedule. We need to create a schedule. Like in order to create a schedule, we need to make a list of the to-do things, so that will help us in how to manage the running task which we are doing in our home, and how to look after the new things which we have to do in the future too. So like a small example we can take, like we can make a use of an Outlook in order to keep a list of the to-do things. The Outlook, it is nothing but it is an easy and enhanced features. It is an easy and enhanced feature like planner, calendars, reminders, etc. So you can make a use of the Outlook in order to keep a list of the to-do things. Then also it is important to prioritize our work and change our priorities as we are working remotely. So I would only suggest you guys to plan our work a day before, so that we'll feel more organized the next day when we wake up to work. We'll feel more organized. Then the sixth point is nothing but connect to VPN. I would say while logging in, always we should try to connect to VPN, as it is always safe and secure as we are working remotely. Also, our company will be able to keep a track of the things which we are doing as we are working remotely. The seventh one is have a strong Wi-Fi connection. I know the Wi-Fi connection is a known problem, as most of us are working from home. So sometimes it is intermittent, sometimes it is very low, sometimes it is weak, and sometimes it is very much strong. So in cases if it is intermittent and if it is slow, try to restart the router, or try to make a use of the mobile data, as it will help us to try to complete our work within our 8 hours of time, instead of extending our working hours. You can use, if the Wi-Fi is not working, you can try the simple troubleshooting as switching off the router plug and switching it on and waiting for some time. Because of the traffic congestion, this problem, it is a known problem. But if you have mobile data, then you can make a use of the mobile data during this time in order to complete your office work within a certain period of time, within a certain span of time. So so that's all I have to say, guys. I know you people can relate to me, as most of us are working from home. So you can relate to me through this video. So stay home, stay healthy, and most importantly, stay positive. So that's all I have to say, guys, for now. So bye, take care, and stay tuned to my channel, and I'll surely help you guys with some new videos. And if you have anything new which you want me to do, please let me know in the comment section below. Bye.